Hey guys, how to delete Venmo account. So first of all, go ahead to your app. So Google Play, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version if you have downloaded. Next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up my browser, and as you can see, how to delete Venmo account. Go to Me tab by tapping your picture or initials. Tap the settings gear, and then select account under preferences. Tab close Venmo account. Venmo will ask you to confirm your decision to close your own account, and you're gonna confirm, or you're gonna basically once you confirm that you want to close the account again to proceed, and then Venmo will then ask you to transfer any remaining balance in your account to your bank account. You can also choose to have the funds donated to a charity, and then the last step, once you have transferred your balance, Venmo will close your account. Note, you cannot delete your Venmo account if you have any pending transactions or an open case. You will need to resolve these issues before you can close your account. Alright, turn on the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.